When talking about NFC tags or RFID tags, it is important to highlight one of the risks of tapping onto people's debit cards or credit cards while they're in their wallets. So here I have my wallet, I have my debit card which is NFC enabled, and here I have my Android phone. I have installed an application called Credit Card Reader. So it is as easy as just bringing the phone close to the wallet, and here you go, you'll able to capture the details of the card. So this application will ask you for the 4 consecutive number on your cards, but obviously it's not the case for other applications. So I've provided the details, and this is the detail of the card that I have captured. So again, it is very important to use the RFID shield wallets or RFID, what do they call them, envelopes, to protect your card from being tapped.